Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Student, as you know, earlier I have sent you a video of this chapter. I hope you have seen that video. This is revised video of lesson 6 with more interesting features. I hope you like this video. Student, we have learned MS Paint in our previous chapter. Today we will learn one more program, that is TuxPaint. TuxPaint is a wonderful drawing software for children. TuxPaint has lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Now moving towards the content. So the content are starting TuxPaint, starting a new drawing, coloring a drawing, paint tool, eraser tool, text tool, saving the drawing, closing the TuxPaint, opening a drawing. Student, now I am going to introduce about TuxPaint. What is TuxPaint? TuxPaint is the award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. TuxPaint is a free software. TuxPaint has a drawing muscat which helps you to know more about it. A variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. We can add personalized stamps to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are also played when we select any tool. How to open TuxPaint? To open TuxPaint, click Start button. Click All Programs. Click TuxPaint. Then TuxPaint will appear on the full screen. Parts of a TuxPaint. Different parts of a TuxPaint are toolbar, color box, help area, up arrow, selector, down arrow. Click on this button to see more symbols. Here you can see different types of more symbols. Starting a new drawing. To start a new drawing, click on the new button from the toolbar. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button to see ready-made pictures and background. Select the drawing and double click on it. The picture will appear on the drawing canvas. After clicking the down arrow button, you will get more ready-made pictures and background. You can see the picture. Next is coloring a drawing. If you want to color your drawing, click on the magic tool from the tools box. Click on the down arrow button and select the fill magic effect from the selector. Here you can choose your favorite color from the color box. Click on the drawing to fill the selected color in it. Paint tool. Paint tool is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. When we click on the pen tool, many brushes will appear in the selector on the subtool box. Choose any brush pattern. The pointer shape changes to paintbrush. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Click on the eraser tool. Press and hold down the left mouse button and start moving the cursor on the drawing. The drawing will be erased. Text tool. If you want to add the text in your drawing in TuxPaint, text tool is used to enter text in your drawing. Saving the drawing. To save the drawing, click on the Save tool from the toolbar. TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail which can be seen when you open any existing file. Here your file is saved. Closing the TuxPaint. After saving the drawing, if you want to close the TuxPaint, click on the Quit tool. A message will appear on the screen. Do you really want to quit? Two options you can see there. First, yes, I am done. Second, no, take me back. When you will click yes, I am done, TuxPaint will close. Opening a drawing. Which drawing you have saved and you want to open again? Click on the Open tool and select the drawing that you want to open, means which drawing you have saved in a file. Now first select. Now click on the Open button. Whatever you have saved, you can see it again. Difficult words. Design, DESIGN, design. Features, FEATURES, features. Software, SOFTWARE, software. Penguin, PENGUIN, penguin. Muscat, MASCOT, muscat. Thumbnail, THUMBNAIL, thumbnail. Brushes, BRUSHES, brushes. Selector, SELECTOR, selector. Quit, QUIT, quit. Appear, APPEAR, appear. Match the following. Left side given tools name: magic tool, eraser tool, pen tool, quit tool, text tool, and right side given their pictures. You have to match the tools with their pictures. Answer in one word. First, which tool in the TuxPaint is similar to the brush tool of MS Paint? Answer, Paint tool. Second, name the tool that is used to erase the drawing. Answer, eraser tool. Third, which button is used to start a new drawing? Answer, new button.